Fractions. The fraction can be a portion of any quantity out of the whole thing, and the whole can be any specific things or value. The fraction is also termed as a portion or section of any quantity. It is denoted by using symbol, such as AB, for example. In 4/5 is a fraction where the upper part denotes the numerator and the lower part is the denominator. Suppose a number has to be divided into 4 parts, then it is represented as x/4. So the fraction here, x/4 defines 1/4 of the number x. Hence, a quarter is the fraction here. It means 1 in 4 equal parts. It can be read as 1/4 or a quarter. This is known as fraction. Parts of fractions. The fractions include 2 parts, numerator and denominator. Numerator, it is the upper part of the fraction that represents the sections of the fraction. Denominator, it is the lower or bottom part that represents the total parts in which the fraction is divided. Example, if 5/7 is a fraction, then 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Types of fractions. Fractions are divided into different types depending upon the values of numerators and denominator. Proper fractions. Improper fractions. Mixed fractions. Like fractions. Unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions. Proper fractions. The proper fractions are those where the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 8/9 will be a proper fraction since numerator-denominator. Improper fractions. The improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator happens to be greater than the denominator. For example, 7/6 will be an improper fraction since numerator-denominator. Mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is a combination of the integer part and a proper fraction. These are also called mixed numbers or mixed numerals. For example, like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions, as the name suggests, that are alike or same. For example, take 1/3 and 3/9. They are alike since if you simplify it mathematically, you will get the same fraction. Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are those that are dissimilar. For example, 1/3 and a quarter are unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions. 2 fractions are equivalent to each other if after simplification either of 2 fractions is equal to the other one. For example, 2/3 and 4/6 are equivalent fractions. Since 4/6 is equal to 2 times 2, 2 times 3 is equal to 2/3. In next video, we will learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. Have an enjoyable learning.